Yo, what's happening? Kai here, and today I'm going to be doing a solo camping session with no tent. Let's get it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to go and look for a nice little camping spot. Find our position where we can set up. The weather's been pretty crazy recently. Just last night it was extremely windy. It was so windy. So let's just hope it's not as windy tonight. I'm already seeing the trees swaying quite a lot. Last thing I want is one of these spruce trees to fall down on me. Well, I haven't managed to find any good spots up this side, so I'm going to go check on a different area. I'm going to walk back on myself a little bit. I'm going to check down here and go a different route. Let's go up this way a little bit. A lot of spruce trees up here we could set up in between. What I'm noticing in this woods is a lot of brambles. If it was the right season, we could potentially get some blackberries, but they're not looking too good right now. The trees are really swaying. Oh my god. Let's hope they don't fall down. I'm struggling a little bit to find somewhere that's flat. Everywhere in here seems like it's on a bit of a slope. I don't really want to be rolling when I'm trying to sleep. Look at this, there's a giant foxhole in here. So much sand's been brought out that little hole. That's crazy. Well, I think we're going to use this spot here between these two trees, that one and that one. And the only problem, the floor's at an angle and it's coming down towards me, so we're going to have to put some stuff here so I don't roll this way. First off though, I need to get this bag off, it's heavy. Okay, so this is all we've got with us today. Some pretty cheap gear. The zip broke, so I've had to tie a bunch of knots on it, but it does the job. But now I'm going to focus on putting some stuff here. Right, so this is where we're at now. I've just made it so I've got a little area here, as you can see, so I don't roll down. So this is what we've done. Just a little spot in there we can chill. Lovely. It's good to see the clouds going away a little bit, stop raining, a little bit of blue sky. Nice. Just gonna get some firewood here, pick up all this dead wood, get it in a nice little pile near our little hut that we've made. Right, we have a little bit of wood here. There's enough to get the fire going. But first, I need to break it up and make it a little bit smaller. Let's get some water out. Getting super hot, I need to take this off. Okay, we've got a bit of firewood, not a lot, and then we've got the stuff to start it. But right now, I just want to clean this little patch because we're going to have the fire like here. Okay, that will be our pit. Clear out a little area around the fire. So I just cleaned out a little area here. We're going to put fire in this little pit. I can sit here and cook quite nicely. Okay, so we've completed the camp. We've got some firewood, we've got our makeshift tent, we've got a fire pit. We're not going to light that right now because we have still got quite a bit of light. But right now I'm feeling a little bit tired, so I'm going to chill out and have a bit of lunch. Oh no, I've instantly broken the peg to hold this down. Damn it. I had a feeling that was going to happen. Blue tent peg, don't kick it. Okay, so what I have in my bag here, I have a camping pillow, and I bought this for £1 years ago. I'm going to sit here, wrap this pillow up. Oh no, I've just kicked the peg again. Okay, that's going to be an issue. That's going to keep happening. Oh. So let's see what we got in the bag for a bit of lunch. Okay, so this is what we got. In this one, we just got some slices of ham. And in this one, we got some cubes of mature cheddar. It's so good. It's so simple as well. Just cold ham with a bit of cheese. Okay, well that was delicious. Now, we're gonna go and forage and get a couple of spruce needles so we can make a bit of tea a bit later on, and we're going to go and get some bigger logs for the fire. Here we are, just found a little spruce tree here. Always double check before you eat anything you've foraged. But these look pretty good. I'm just going to take one. That'll do. Here we go, we've got some spruce needles. It's a very earthy but almost a little bit of citrusy smell to it. And now we're going to get some bigger logs for the fire. Okay, we've got a fair bit of wood now. Okay, now I'm going to put the floor mat in my shed. Yeah, that's chill. That's definitely sleepable. The sun is slowly setting. I've just found the perfect little spot where the sun's coming through. Nice. Alright, let's try and get a fire going. I have some stuff in here that I was going to use. I've got my flint and steel and some lint from the tumble dryer. Okay, we've got a fire going from the flint and steel. It's my first time doing that. And for now, I'm just going to keep it nice and small. We're going to cook up some of this, the tea I got earlier. Nice little fire going now. Let's put this in here, spruce needles, and then we add a little bit of water in here. Let's just pop this here for now. I'll let that heat up and brew for a little bit. I think that looks about done to me. That looks good. Here we have the spruce needle tea. Let's give it a try. It's nice. It's super earthy. Tastes good. Tastes good. This fire going a little bit hotter. Got some more coals to cook with. Fire's going nicely. We've still got a decent amount of wood. This is probably one of the best ways to do a fire, is overlap them. See that? It's burning really good now. Gonna cook some food very soon. It's getting dark. We're gonna cook up very soon. You can see the moon, man. Looks cool. Right, now we're gonna do some cooking. We've got mess tins. Get some potatoes and carrots in here. I've just dropped a bit of carrot. Carrot in there. And this one I have some bacon, a little bit of onion. Oh. Nice bit of sea salt. Save it. I have some thick cut bacon in here, but it is already pre-cooked. Just add the water. Hopefully we get enough. Let's get this on fire. Let's move this stick. Move that one a little bit. Nuts all this right here. Let's let it brew. We'll let that simmer up now. Get it going a little bit before we put the bacon in. And then we'll put some gravy in there as well. Gravy granules. I think while my food's cooking, I'm going to set up my sleeping bags quickly. I have 2 sleeping bags because they're quite thin, so I want to make sure I'll be staying warm. Let's get the second one out. There we go. That's the second sleeping bag. Just to make sure we stay warm. It's pretty cold tonight, and can't forget the trusty pillow. I'm gonna roll it back here just in case the fire for now. Now let's go check back on that food. Whoo! It's bubbling up nicely. Let's give it a little mix. Give it a little mix. Not stuck to the bottom. We're going to leave that, then potatoes and carrots to soften up. Alright, I think now would be a good time to get the bacon in there. All the bacon juice is going to soak into everything now. I did pre-cook it a little bit beforehand. Oh, I've dropped a bit of bacon! No! I can't actually mix it at all, to be fair. Struggling. Wedge the bacon down the sides. I don't want it just sitting on the top. Do I have a better utensil? I do! I have a special spoon. Haha. Why did I... Ow! Water's hot. Why did I not use this sooner? This pot is jam-packed to food. I could have definitely done with more water. Instantly bubbling again. Lovely. Let's get the lid on before anything goes inside it. And right now, I'm just chilling out next to the fire, waiting for this food to cook because I'm hungry. And it is dark now. I can't see a thing. God, I can really smell that now. That's so strong. I can really smell the onion and that. I have one more ingredient I want to pour in, and it is the vial. Oh, almost dropped it. Oh my god. The vial of gravy. Gravy granules. May not look the greatest. Honestly, this is going to be delicious. Look at the potato already. Oh, it's all so mushy. That'll be done in a minute. I'm going to leave it on for a little bit longer, just to make sure all the centres are nice and soft. Alright, I think that is about done now. Let's give it a test. Yeah, that's done. Yep, 100%. Right, I think it's time to try the stew. I think it's cooled down enough. Take this off first. So in the head. Oh, it's so soft. Bit of bacon up there. Why is camping food so good, man? Oh my god. This is actually delicious. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Oh my god. I bit into the potato and it just, yeah, exploded with lava in my mouth. Look at this now. How to give you some calories. I've finished it all. Now you know what we've got to do. That was delicious. Let's just clean the pie out a little bit. Baby wipe here. Well, I say we get a little bit more wood on that fire because that is about to go out. There we go. We've got the fire back up and going again. I'm going to cook up some dessert in a minute. I've got some bread. I was going to toast it near the fire and then pour some honey on it. I think that would be well nice. I'm just going to lay a bit of bread straight on top of that. Right here. Yeah, it's nice and hot. Here we go, here's the bread. It's not the best bread, it's a bit crumpled. Clean up some of that coal a little bit, and then I feel like I'll just throw it on there. That shouldn't take long at all. I've dropped the bread on the floor. It's fine, it's fine. It's toasting good though. Woo-hoo. I think that's about done. Alright, I think the bread's done. Let's try it. Got some honey. Bit of toast with some honey on it. Never goes wrong. Oh, the honey's a bit funny. That's a good bit of toast just thrown on the coal though. With butter, this would be amazing. That's some good bread. I'm going to cook up the rest. Well, that bread was absolutely delicious. And this fire is pretty much out now. And I'm feeling pretty tired. So I'm probably going to go and get into the old bed now. Alright, just in the tent now. Just got into the sleeping bag. Try and get a bit of sleep. Got a little bit of smoke coming in there, which ain't too nice, but I should die out pretty soon because it's just a little bit of embers there. It's about to go out. Catch you in the morning. Yo, what's happening? Good morning. Well, we made it through the night. It was a pretty cold one, but you know, I didn't actually get too cold. I only got cold when I had to get out of my sleeping bag and go to the toilet quickly, but it's looking a little bit sunny today. We're gonna get up now and start packing up. Yeah. We're up and awake, but it is cold out here. I'm gonna get my coat back on now, and then we're gonna start packing up and cleaning up camp. Okay, so there we go. That's the camp fully cleaned. Fireplace garden. You can't even tell I've been here. Well, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. It's my first time doing this. Don't forget to drop a subscribe, a like and a comment. Much appreciated. Thank you. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, stick around. There'll be more soon. Adios.